Inverted classroom and active pedagogy, keys to inclusive digital education. Digital education has become a central topic of debate and transformation worldwide. The ubiquity of technology has challenged traditional educational practices and opened up new opportunities for meaningful learning. In this essay, we will explore how the methodology of the flipped classroom and active pedagogy by John Bergman and Aaron Sams, inclusion through educational technologies by David Biles, and the promotion of digital citizenship, a necessity for the international community, intertwined to revolutionize education in the digital age. The flipped classroom, proposed by Bergman and Sams in their book Flip Your Classroom, 2012, challenges the traditional transmission of information in the classroom. Instead of dedicating class time to lectures, students access educational resources such as videos and readings before class. Classroom time focuses on discussions, problem solving, and practical applications. This approach empowers students, fosters independence, and allows for personalized learning. Students take an active role in constructing their knowledge, aligning with active pedagogy. This methodology promotes critical thinking, collaboration, and practical application of knowledge, essential skills in the digital age. Basically, the concept of a flipped classroom is as follows: what traditionally is done in class is now done at home, and what traditionally is done as homework is now completed in class. Bergman and Sams, 2012, page 13. Bergman and Sams, 2012, analyzed educational trends and preferences and introduced a model that aligns with the preferences of today's youth. By using ICTs for information transmission, this model connects with students who are accustomed to using the internet for information and interaction. They coined the phrase known as the flipped classroom, or more broadly, flipped learning, an educational approach in which direct instruction moves from the collective learning space to the individual learning space, and the resulting space transforms into a dynamic and interactive learning environment where the educator guides students as they apply concepts and can creatively engage with the material. Having a flipped classroom involves having a platform where students can find all the resources they need for self-learning. This is where Videomatica becomes relevant. Videomatica not only serves as a tool but plays a central role in implementing the methodology proposed by Professor Biles. The flipped classroom, in this context, means that students access learning content through Videomatica before class, where they can watch interactive videos, interactive scenes, and other resources designed to introduce and explain key concepts. This allows students to familiarize themselves with the concepts and gain a basic understanding before arriving in the classroom. Once in the classroom, active pedagogy is put into practice, where students actively engage in activities such as discussions, problem solving, and collaborative projects. The teacher acts as a facilitator and guide, providing individualized support and encouraging active student participation in knowledge construction. Additionally, Videomatica is used as a platform that enables the creation of interactive and tailored content to different learning styles, promoting educational inclusion and addressing diverse student needs. Not least, developing essential digital skills for responsible digital citizenship. Active pedagogy, supported by Bergman and Sams, 2012, emphasizes that students should be active participants in their learning process. In a flipped classroom, students not only consume information but also engage in meaningful classroom activities. Debates, problem solving, and collaborative projects are examples of how active pedagogy is implemented. This pedagogy promotes critical thinking, autonomy, and learning responsibility. Students become builders of their knowledge, which is essential in the digital age, where information is just a click away. This pedagogy also fosters the development of digital skills and digital citizenship, fundamental aspects of contemporary education. Active pedagogy is a methodology that can be enhanced through the use of educational technologies like Videomatica. This platform offers tools and resources that enable educators to implement active pedagogical practices in the digital classroom. Videomatica provides the possibility of creating interactive and engaging content, such as interactive videos, scenes, and books, which actively involve students in their learning process. Through these tools, educators can design learning experiences in which students actively participate, solve problems, explore, and make decisions, rather than being passive recipients of information. The Videomatica platform also allows for content adaptation to different learning styles and individual needs, which is crucial in active pedagogy, where personalized learning for each student is sought. In summary, David Biles's Videomatica Pedagogy integrates the flipped classroom, active pedagogy, and the use of the Videomatica platform as a comprehensive and cohesive approach to teaching and learning, promoting active student participation and personalized learning. Videomatica can be a valuable tool for educators wishing to implement active pedagogy in their teaching, as it offers resources and functionalities that encourage active student participation and promote a student-centered approach to the educational process. One of the fundamental pillars, if not the most important one, in Biles's Videomatica pedagogy is educational inclusion. For Biles, this is an imperative in current education, as the diversity of students with different learning styles and needs requires an inclusive approach. Inclusive educational technologies, as proposed by one David Biles Grisales in his book Inclusive Educational Technologies, play a fundamental role in this regard. These technologies allow for the adaptation of educational content to meet individual student needs. Digital resources can be personalized for students with disabilities or different learning styles. This not only promotes equal opportunities but also enhances the retention and understanding of the material. Regarding this, Biles, 2023, states, in the educational context, equity implies ensuring that all students have equal opportunities to access education, participate in the learning process, and achieve their educational goals. This means that barriers and inequalities that hinder access to education must be eliminated, and inclusive educational environments adapted to the needs and characteristics of each student must be created. Educational equity also implies ensuring that educational resources and services are distributed fairly and equitably, and that the necessary support is provided for those students with special needs or in vulnerable situations. In summary, educational equity seeks to ensure that all individuals have the same opportunities to develop their potential and achieve their educational goals, regardless of their personal or socioeconomic circumstances. Page 31. To support inclusive educational technologies, IET, Biles, 2023, presents, regarding IET, it refers to those technological tools and resources designed to help students with special needs fully participate in the educational process. This may include accessibility devices, reading and writing software, speech recognition software, assistive technology, among others. Page 34. According to Biles, 2023, IET and the flipped classroom can work together to enhance student learning and facilitate teacher instruction. IET can be used to create interactive educational materials, provide immediate feedback, facilitate online collaboration, and personalize learning, allowing students to work at their own pace and improve their understanding of concepts. Page 161. A fundamental aspect in students' personal development in the digital age is digital citizenship. Digital citizenship is the ability of individuals to use information and communication technologies effectively, ethically, and safely. It involves knowledge and the application of rules and codes of conduct online, the protection of personal privacy and sensitive information, and active and responsible participation in the digital society. Biles, 2023, page 112. Digital citizenship is essential in an increasingly connected world. In the context of the flipped classroom and educational technologies, digital citizenship addresses key aspects. It is imperative that students learn to evaluate the quality and reliability of online sources, promoting media literacy and critical evaluation of information. References: Bergman J. and Sams A., 2012, Flip Your Classroom, Reach Every Student in Every Class. Editorial, International Society for Technology in Education. ISBN 978-1-56484-315-9. Recovered by Biles D. Recuperado de https://www.academia.edu/308097677/_Bergman_Aaron_Sams_Bookzz_org. Biles D. 2023, Tecnologias Educativas Inclusivas. ISBN 978-84-18834-74-5. Edit by Biles D. Recovered. https://proyectodescartes.org/icr/materials_didacticos/technologias_educativas_inclusivas/index.html